Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are doing fine. So we will start our new chapter number 5 on page number 35 of your book, that is Whiz Through the Software. Obviously, as the name of the chapter indicating that this chapter is totally related to the software. What is a software? हम अक्सर सुनते हैं कंप्यूटर का सॉफ्टवेयर ख़राब हो गया, कंप्यूटर का सॉफ्टवेयर डैमेज हो गया, या हमारे सॉफ्टवेयर क्या इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है कि लोग सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर बनते हैं. सो व्हाट इज़ अ सॉफ्टवेयर? वी विल डिस्कस इट इन दिस वीडियो. Software basically consists of program. What is a program? Program basically are the instruction that tells the computer what to do, what the computer will do further. For example, if I want to make a document on the Microsoft Word, I will use the program Microsoft Word. That will be the software, and that software will providing the instruction to the computer what to do. So basically there are two types of the software. Number one, system software. Number two, application software. System software basically is your built-in software that control different functions of the computer, जो ऑलरेडी आपके सिस्टम में मौजूद होता है, जो आपका बेसिक होता है, जिसके बगैर आपका कंप्यूटर फंक्शन नहीं कर सकता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, योर माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विंडो इज़ एन बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द system software, because you have to install it, you have to provide to the system if you want to work on the computer. Number two is application software. Application software provides different instructions to the program, just like the Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, etc. So let's read it out further. Software consists of programs. A program is an organized set of instructions that tells a computer what to do and how to do it. It does not only tells the computer what to do, but it also tells how to do it. There are two kinds of software: system software, application software. System software. System software is a software used to control all the activities within the computer system. That's what I told you, that it is a basic kind of the software whose function is to control all kinds of activities within the computer system. The system software controls, manages and integrates the functioning of the different parts of computer. The Microsoft Windows operating system is an example of system software. ये already built in होता है, ये manage करता है, control करता है कि कंप्यूटर के different part किस तरह से perform करेंगे. Are these activities controlled by system software? Answer yes or no. शटिंग डाउन द कंप्यूटर, येस, बिकॉज इट इज़ द बेसिक थिंग. और हमने कहा कि सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर आपकी तमाम चीज़ों को मैनेज करेगा. डिज़ाइनिंग कार्ड्स, no, because you can do it with the help of the or downloading an application. Playing Scrabble, no, because ये भी आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. बूटिंग अप द कंप्यूटर, येस. अब आप देख रहे हैं कि इसमें शटिंग डाउन द कंप्यूटर एंड बूटिंग अप द कंप्यूटर आर बेसिक नेसेसिटीज ऑफ द कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. दीज आर द वन ऑफ द मेन फंक्शंस ऑफ द कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. दैट्स वाई दे आर कंट्रोल्ड बाय द सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर. अनस्क्रैम्बल द लेटर टू मैच द मीनिंग्स, ये क्या हो जाएगा जी? ये कंप्यूटर इक्विपमेंट है. ये तो आपका आ जाएगा कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम सॉफ्टवेयर, और ये आपका आ जाएगा हार्डवेयर. ठीक है. मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट पेज, पेज नंबर 36. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम क्या होता है जी? एन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ द सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द डायरेक्ट कंट्रोल एंड मैनेजमेंट ऑफ हार्डवेयर एंड बेसिक कंप्यूटर ऑपरेशंस. हम अक्सर कहते हैं कि जी हमारा जो विंडोज़ है वो हमारा ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है. करता क्या है? बेसिकली एक ऐसा सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर होता है विच इज़ द बेसिक सॉफ्टवेयर दैट हुज फंक्शन इज़ फॉर द डायरेक्ट कंट्रोल एंड मैनेजमेंट ऑफ हार्डवेयर एंड बेसिक ऑपरेशन. ऑल द basic operations of the computer will only be handled by the operating system. If there will be no windows in your computer system, you cannot work on your computer system. You cannot start it, you cannot shut down it, you cannot boot it up. Even your management of your hardwares, your printer, your other output devices are also managed by the operating system. Microsoft Windows, Mac, Access and Linux are the operating system. I'm sorry. This is the Microsoft Windows, this is the Linux. So these are all the example of the operating system. Watch these two pictures carefully. Okay, now learn more about the functions of an operating system. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct words from the list. You will have to do this. I'll help you out. The operating system helps in the dash process. In the booting up process, the operating system it controls the dash and output operations. It controls the input and output operations and the flow of the instructions from one part of the computer to the other. It loads the software data and helps to process the data. It enables us to delete, retrieve and save the files. Okay class, you will be doing question regarding this. You will attempt the question number 1 on your rough copies and your loose sheets. Define a software and you can find the answer on page number 35. That software consists of programs. A program is an organized set of instructions that tells a computer what to do and how to do it. These are the first 2 lines of your chapter. What is the difference between a system software and application software? So you will draw the line for system software and application software. System software is a software used to control all the activities within the. मेरा ख्याल है कि आज के लिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 ही कर लें सर, ठीक है. ये बाकी वाला मैं बाद में करवा दूंगी जब मैं आपको एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर भी पढ़ाऊंगी. Okay students, that's all for today. So if you have any query regarding the lesson, please feel free to ask. Thank you everyone.